Seriously, I'm trying to go to dinner.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, south central Clark County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Warren County in northwestern Virginia until 8 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
800-778.
Possible in the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Seriously?
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warrenton, Delaplane, Marshall, Asheville, Markham, Ayla, Rectortown, Paris, Blue Mountain. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. The National Weather Service in Sterling,
Thanks, Sterling.
Rectortown, Paris, Blue Mountain, Bethel, Madoville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Can I go to dinner now, please?